and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, yay, I am so excited that you are here, and if you are returning to my channel, oh my goodness, thank you so very, very much. If you are new here, go ahead and just click that subscribe button, just click it, join the Lash family, you will not regret it. There are so many amazing people here. We're all about positivity, love, and yeah, of course, makeup. Also, make sure you click that notification bell because I do upload 2 videos every single week, Wednesday and Sunday at 10 a.m. Central, and you don't want to miss out. I have so much fun content planned for 2019. I'm really excited about this year and my channel. Also, if you are new here, something that I do on my channel is I start every video with a question to help me get to know you guys and to help you get to know me better. So today's question is, put down in the comment section something that you prefer to do the old-fashioned way. Oh my goodness. Okay. I feel like mine boils down to writing. I write for fun when I just feel like being creative. I often find myself much more creative and inspired when I'm writing by hand. I can write or type on the computer, but I really feel like I'm inspired when I'm really actually picking up a pen, going on a piece of paper and writing it out. So I think that also goes into, like, if I'm going to write a thank you note, an email will not cut it. I am going to write and send you a thank you note. So definitely make sure you leave what you prefer to do the old-fashioned way in the comment section. Now let's dive on into today's video, which is definitely a Boxycharm unboxing. Make sure you stick around because I always do a giveaway every Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm arrived, which I'm really excited about, and then I opened it and I wasn't so excited. There was something I really wanted to get in here, so I had to bust it open as soon as it arrived in the mail. I really was hoping to get the Sol de Janeiro lotion, the new one, the blue one, that there's like a big debate over what does it smell like. A lot of people say buttered popcorn, jelly bellies, and I love buttered popcorn, jelly bellies, so I was like, oh my gosh, I hope I get that. I did not get it. Of course. My husband was like, I called it because you really, he's like, since you want that so bad, you probably won't get that one. And well, he was right. I did not get that one. But there are still several items in here that I will actually be able to use, which is kind of nice. The reason I do a monthly giveaway with Boxycharm is because my collection, my makeup collection is pretty stacked. And usually there's 2 to 3 items that I just don't need, I don't have room for. Before I dive into the items I got in my box, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that comes in at $21 a month. You usually get 5 full-size items. That is why I switched over to Boxycharm from other beauty subscriptions, because seriously, Boxycharm is the bomb.com. It is so good. It is so worth the money. If you are new to makeup, if you're just wanting to stack your makeup collection, there's always so many good things in Boxycharm. There are obviously months that I'm more like, oh my gosh, I love everything in here. But there's never ever been a month that I regret Boxycharm. And that's saying something because I think I've had it now for like 2 full years, maybe more. The first 3 items are the 3 items I'm keeping for myself, and then the last 2 items will be items that I'm going to give away to one lucky member of the Lash fam. This month's little theme is Afterglow. Cute. I don't really know what it has to do with February. Okay, wait, maybe with, you know, Valentine's, we're in love, we're glowing. Okay, I can kind of roll with it. So the first item I am going to keep is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This comes in at $24 and the box is $21, so already I am in the positive. I'm going to keep this. I've said this before on my channel, the one thing I hoard. Every Boxycharm, if we get mascara, I keep it. And if I get a really good deal on mascara at the drugstore or TJ Maxx, I grab it. Because mascara is the one beauty item that I know I'm going to go through so often. Honestly, I feel like, does anyone else feel like this? That mascara does not even last as long as it used to? I remember being in junior high, you guys, and oh, I kept mascara forever. Not saying I'm proud of it or recommend, but I kept it forever and it still worked. Now most mascara, I feel like after you open it a month later, the formula just dries out and you're not getting that really wow look that you want. They might do that on purpose though, so we have to buy more. So mascara is the one thing I will definitely hoard and I have a stockpile of because I go through it. I'm a big fan of mascara. I don't really wear false lashes. I wear mascara 6 out of 7 days a week. Okay, so the second item I am going to keep is something I'm really excited about, and this is a reason why I love Boxycharm. I have discovered a lot of products and brands through Boxycharm that aren't always something I'm seeing on YouTube or Trendmood or social media. And then I find out that I love these brands or products, and I would have never discovered it if it wasn't for Boxycharm. This is one of those things that I'm really excited to try, and I've never tried anything by this brand. This is Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. No Problem Primer. Like problem, like problem, problem. You get it. It's cute. I like the play on words. It has a light, silky texture that blurs pores, wrinkles, and gives you a soft velvet feel. I need all the blurring I can get, you guys. I have big, 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 big pores. And then it also says it has green tea and collagen. This comes in at $18, so that's actually not that bad. If I like this, it's a pretty affordable primer. I'm going to pump just a little bit onto the back of my hand. I just want to see what it feels like. I like that it's in a glass bottle. It's got a cute name. It's got like a nice fresh smell. It feels really nice and hydrating on the back of my hand. But oh, that really, my hand right here looks so, you probably can't tell on camera, but it looks so smooth. It truly looks so smooth. Compared to this part of my hand, this part looks so smooth, and it feels even smoother. This is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. This comes in at $22. I used their makeup cleansing balm. We got it in Boxycharm a month or so ago. It was so good. I've always wanted to try more things from this brand. I just feel like they have really cute packaging, and I'm always drawn to it. I don't know if all their products are good, but the packaging definitely draws me in. Really excited to try this. It's good to have on in my little skincare stockpile over there because I definitely will use it. I cleanse my face every single night. Do I still wish it was the Sol de Janeiro lotion? Yes, I do. You know, this is nice, but I would have really loved to have that lotion. Okay, so now let's dive into the two items I'm giving back to my Lash fam. Before we do that, let's just go through the little bit of rules I have for my giveaways. I also have them down in the description box, so make sure you are following the rules. The first one is, of course, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and do it right now. Just click it. It's painless. It's free. Why not do it? And then the second thing is you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. That is so important, you guys. I just cannot afford to do international giveaways. I do what I feel like is a lot of giveaways here on my channel as a small YouTuber. Every month I'm doing Boxycharm. Usually once or twice a year I have like a bigger giveaway, and that shipping costs enough for me to do those that I just cannot afford international. If you are an international subscriber, I'm so thankful that you are here, and one day I really hope that I am able to do international giveaways. I just cannot do it at this time, so please make sure you have a USA mailing address if you are going to enter. And then the third thing is, please comment in the comment section hashtag I love my Lash family with your Instagram handle. The hashtag just helps me know who's truly entering the giveaway and who is just wanting to comment on my channel, and I love when you comment. Then the Instagram handle is so helpful because a lot of people do not have their YouTube message feature on, so I know I can contact you. So just click the description box and I'll have everything down there so that you guys can check it out. Okay, so the two items I am going to give away. The first one is a brand that we get a lot in Boxycharm, and honestly, I've been really, really impressed with their products, and they have the cutest packaging. This is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, $32. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. This is in the shade Glow Up, which I think is super cute. The color, honestly, it looks really pretty. It looks like a nice universal tone that so many people would be able to wear and rock. And how stinking cute is this packaging? I love it. It looks like an antique frame. Oh my goodness, adorable. And then the next thing I am going to give away is the Freepik Primer Plus Glaze Lip Crayon. So soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt. Oh my god, I'm reading the cleanser. I was like, what kind of lipstick is this? Let's try that again. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer. Oh. So it's got two sides. Okay, I was confused. One side is the primer, and then one side is a shiny color glaze and glide on like a balm. That sounds perfect for winter. Leaves behind a pop of oh my gosh, that is a tongue twister. It leaves, oh. It leaves behind a pop of soft, shiny color, $25. So I definitely feel like this is a good little combo. You've got your highlighter, you've got your lip, and honestly, like this together sounds like kind of the perfect, like effortless, low makeup, just want to look a little jazzed up before I leave the house. Pop this on, and you are good to go. I love giving back to my Lash family. You guys are so amazing, and I love that I'm able to do this every month. So yeah, just make sure you guys enter. And that is everything besides my shout out of the day. And today's shout out is, bear with me while I read their YouTube name. It is 203AZZOPARDI, 203 Azzopardi. I'm not sure how that's supposed to be read, but their comment was, I love the matcha latte from Starbucks. Oh my goodness, I do too. It is one of my favorites. I will say though, it is my husband's #1 favorite. He gets that almost every single time we go to Starbucks. And then they said, I love your vibes. You are very charming. Thanks for putting positive energy out into the world. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for the kind words. You don't know how much that means to me. I seriously have the kindest subscribers. So thank you so much for being subscribed to the channel and a member of the Lash family. I'm so thankful that you are here. And that is everything, you guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I try to be pretty interactive on there and I love getting to know you guys better. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.